Hi there, this is Headley from We Cut Foam. Today I'm going to be talking about our blue firm foam. So this first piece is a 1-inch bit. It's probably still a bit too thin for this type of grade for seating. It's likely to bottom out a bit even though it is a firm foam. So 1 inch for seating, not too great, but you could use it for wraps of other foams. 2 inches is where it works really well. So this is very popular for dining seating, bench seating, window seating, that type of thing. It's a really great foam for this, nice and supportive, got that firmness, so you'll get away with it with the 2 inch or 5 centimetre piece. Then at 3 or 4 inches is better again, just slightly more comfortable, got that extra bit of support having that greater amount of thickness. 10 centimetres is a popular thickness that we do. And yeah, it's just a really supportive, nice, high density foam. We can cut it to any shape or size, so you can send us templates, you can email us diagrams, or you can order directly on the website by inputting all the sizes. We also cut it in sheets as well. So yeah, if you've got any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you.